If you want to delete profile images in Windows 10, you will see that there are no options to do this, which is very sad. Because of that, to delete the pictures, we need to go through the process. Open File Explorer by right-click on the Windows icon. Go to this PC. Select your local disk C. Go to Users. Open the folder with your username. Go to appdata. If you don't see this folder, click View up here and make sure that hidden items are selected. Select Roaming. Open Microsoft folder. Go to the Windows folder and click Account Pictures. And you will see your account pictures here. Select pictures that you don't want and just delete them. And this is it. Unfortunately, a pretty complicated solution for a small problem. I hope they will fix it. And this is how you delete profile images in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.